Brain is part of an organism, and what it does is simply part of what the organism does. It is part of what is to be explained. Now that explanation, I think, can only be found by looking outside the organism, the individual, rather than within. And it is found in three kinds of variation and selection. The first of these was natural selection, which explains why we have a body and a brain at all, a species only for a future that resembles the selecting path. That fault was corrected by a further evolutionary step, the evolution of operant conditioning, which enabled the environment of the individual to select behavior with contingencies that were not stable enough to work through natural selection. One can learn very little in a solitary world unless you have a social environment which is a set of contingencies of reinforcement and responsible for the elaborate repertoires we all acquire. Cultures also evolve, and that is the third type. These three external kinds of circumstances explain what the body does. Then what is this mind or self supposed to be doing? Does it exist? There seems to be no room for it in a scientific account.